Anyway, babasahin ko na lang po. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the Council of Past Presidents, it is my pleasure to welcome all of you to the 2026 induction and recognition ceremony of the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors. SPEED began in a very simple way as a small group of entertainment editors who enjoyed each other company. Parang social club lang po kami nung una, but as the years went by, we realized that what connected us was more than friendship. Entertainment journalism matters. The story we write, the artists we support, and the standards we uphold all contribute to shaping the industry we cover. From those humble beginnings, SPEED grew into an organization with a clear mission to champion excellence, to strengthen partnerships, and to uplift Filipino talent through initiatives like the EDIs. Today, we welcome a new set of leaders who will continue that work. To our partners and friends from the industry and corporate sector, thank you for being part of this journey. Once again, welcome po sa ating lahat, and may this morning mark another meaningful chapter for SPEED. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan, maraming salamat Founder and Past President Eugene. At magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat ulit. TNT and of course ng DWAR 1494 Abante Radyo. At syempre hindi ko kakayanin i-host ang ating programa today nang walang elegance at composure ng ating katanda for the first time. The one and only entertainment and lifestyle editor of the Daily Tribune, Ms. Dina Sabal Ventura.
Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the 2026 induction and recognition ceremony of the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors. Today we gather not only to induct a new set of officers, but to honor the individuals and institutions who continue to strengthen our mission of excellence in entertainment journalism and our advocacy for Filipino talent.
Kaya naman pulong-pulo ang ating programa, pero we promise a short, sweet, and meaningful ceremony. But dahil batid namin ang alaga ng oras ng bawat isa.
Kaya naman, Don, before we begin with the induction proper, we would like to proceed to the first of our recognitions for today. Alright, so as editors, we understand the strong journalism is never the work of one voice alone. It is sustained by publications that continue to provide space for credible reporting, thoughtful commentary, and meaningful coverage of the entertainment industry. Today, we proudly acknowledge one of the media institutions that support the mission of SPEED, and in doing so, help elevate the standards of journalism in the Philippines.
Okay, dapat hindi ako magkamali sa part na to, or else. Ikinatutuwa namin na narito ang leaders, our President's home publication with us, ang Manila Times, to show their support and to receive the certificate of appreciation. May we call on Ms. Ana Marie Ann Thompson, Chief Executive Officer, Ms. Blanca Mercado, President, and the Manila Times former Chairman, Secretary Dante Clink and the Second of the Commission on Overseas Filipinos. Palakpakan po natin sila.
The certificate of appreciation is hereby presented to the Manila Times in grateful recognition of your continued support in championing the EDIs and the mission of SPEED through consistent editorial space and coverage, helping us honor excellence in Philippine entertainment. With sincere appreciation from the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors, signed by myself and Vicky Wang, Awards Committee Chairman. Thank you so much. And a personal thanks to my bosses. It's not every day that, they leave the office and cancel meetings apparently, but they are here to support us. So thank you so much for helping us all the time. We'll just have a quick photo. And all the other publications will also receive the same certificate kasi lahat tayo nagtutulong-tulungan. Award is presented to Eugene Assis in recognition of his outstanding leadership and invaluable service as President of the Society of Philippine Entertainment Editors during his term. With gratitude and pride given this 24th day of February at the Bayanihan Center, signed by myself and Nikki Wang as Awards Committee Chair. So, Eugene, dapat sa gitna.
Miss Ian Farinas, Miss Sawe Asis, and Nikki Wang, our awards committee chairman, to join them.
Okay, this is another important moment for our group because after our 10th year as an organization, we now recognize the individuals and partners who have stood beside us through the years.
Okay, yes, Lina, sila ang patuloy na tumutulong sa atin to champion Filipino talent and celebrate excellence in entertainment, lalo na sa pamamagitan ng The Eddies. Kilalanin po natin sila.
Our first honoree represents an organization that has long been a steadfast partner of SPEED, supporting both the Eddies and our outreach initiatives through the years. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Ms. Claire De Leon Papa, Assistant Vice President and Head of External Affairs and Social Partnerships for UNAT Incorporated.
There, no, talaga. Congratulations, and of course, abangan po natin kung
Two of the most respected actors in our industry, the distinguished leaders of Actor, League of Filipino Actors, whose work continues to uplift and champion the creative community. Please welcome Mr. Jose Sixto Dingdong Datas III, Actor's founding president and chairman, and the organization's president, Ms. Iza Calzado Winto. Mauricio Ariola, Entertainment and Lifestyle Editor of the Manila Times, President. Maricris Valdez Picacho, Entertainment Editor, Kakao, Vice President Internal. Geraldine Triana, Entertainment Editor of Malaya Business Insight, Vice President External. Irvin Santiago, Entertainment Editor of Empire Bandera, Secretary. Ron Romulo, Entertainment Editor of People's Balita, Co-Secretary. Dondon Cernino, Treasurer, forever. Jerry Olea of Pep.ph, Auditor. Nikki Wang, Entertainment and Lifestyle Editor of the Manila Standard, Public Relations Officer. Janice Navida, Entertainment Editor of Bulgar, Public Relations Officer. Neil Ramos, Entertainment Editor of Tempo, Public Relations Officer. Okay, so everyone's here, alright? May we now invite our inducting officers, Ding Dong and Jika, to please administer the oath of office.
Hello.
Solemnly swear to faithfully and conscientiously fulfill my duties as
to uphold the highest standards of integrity, professionalism, and ethical journalism.
to work collaboratively with my fellow members in the pursuit of excellence.
to contribute to the growth and upliftment of the entertainment industry,
and to serve this organization with dedication, accountability, and honor. So help me God.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.